It's been a while since you guys saw my face. I know it's been a minute since you guys saw how I've been living, and I know how I have been MIA to you guys. But we back at it with another video, and on today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys into my day, which is Friday, my favorite day. And today, I chose to make this day not only just a basic day that I love, but to just celebrate this day with my girl and to just strengthen the relationship that I have and to show all my levels of gratitude, not only to my girl but to the Most High for blessing me with what I have. But before we start any further, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. Or if you're looking to capitalize on our 2-day in-person mentorship course, then I guess you're going to take the time and the opportunity to give us a call or a DM, or to just book your spot or inquire your spot so I can come to your place or anywhere where you feel it's safe for you, so we can chop it up, so I can give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need, so you can not only have a wonderful trading journey, but to have a profitable and a great trading journey. So like I said, I'm taking you guys into my day. I wouldn't be doing much and I wouldn't be saying much, but I would just be showing you guys how my Friday will be going about, because it's my favorite day, right? So I'm gonna be showing you guys my charts outside, me, my girl, and where we are gonna be spending our day for today. But without further ado, let me not do talking, let me not do too much capping, and let me just be about it. I'm gonna see you guys on the next clip. As you guys clearly know that I'm in love with the charts, and my whole life has been involving around the charts. So as you guys clearly know, I always work on 3 trading pairs, which is nasdaq, gold, and usdcad. So this will be nasdaq on the hourly time frame. As you guys can clearly see that our structure had been looking bullish from this push to the upside. Price gave us this high, right? So from this high, price today push to the downside gave us this low. This low, price today continuation push giving us this high. So as you guys clearly understand, from a push and a push and a push, you guys can clearly note that price will be printing out this intraday word, this intraday resistance. So from an intraday resistance, which is this current high marked out, there's 2 takes that we're going to be focusing on nasdaq today. One of the most ones is for a break and retest, so we can look for possible new all-time highs. Or if price will give us a fill to break of this very same zone, then we're just going to anticipate that this is a possible word, a possible double top. So from a possible double top, we're going to look forward for reversals to the downside in anticipation of what those reversals to the downside and those new intraday lows. But without further ado, nasdaq, we're gonna just be focusing on what is price gonna do. We're gonna get those continuations to the upside, or is price gonna fail to continue. Second pair will be gold, and gold solves that. Gold has a possible reversal pattern which is still cooking it up, but obviously with me having to mark out this neckline, this neckline is based on you guys having to understand them from a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. There's 2 takes we're going to be focusing on: a break and retest of our neckline. We're looking for those moves to the downside, which will be equivalent to a successful head and shoulders. But if price will give us a fill to break off this neckline, then we're going to look for those intraday moves to the upside above our neckline, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. Last pair will be USDCAD. So as you guys can clearly understand that USDCAD has a clean overall word, strong structure push to the upside, and price is holding a intraday range. So from this intraday range, you can clearly see that prices highs and prices lows, which is this highs and this lows. And all we're going to be focusing on from this push and this range is for those moves to the upside. But if we don't get there, then I guess we're going to see what is price going to do from there. What a van, fun fact. How do I go about explaining something like this? Someone is trying to fuck me up. Recently got a call from my aunt. Your van has been scraped. This is what you come to. Who the fuck did it? Has to pay for this. Can't fuck up my car.
Two 2,000 years later.
So if you are a trader or if you're an entrepreneur, so I need you guys to understand a few stuff. Why it's always 1% that's always being successful or making it out of 5. It's tough. It's not easy for anyone. It's overwhelming for everyone. But what's great is that you simply have God. They gave you a plan. He gave you a plan to stick to it. He showed you a plan and gave you a strategy that you need to stick to it. It will get tough, obviously. To whom much is given, much is required. If you want to be a 6-figure trader, for those who trade prop firm, if you want to be a 6-figure trader, to whom much is given, much is required. You need discipline, bro. You need consistency. You need persistency. Consistency is just a normal word. It's a basic word. You need persistency because as it gets tough, you will get overwhelmed. And as it gets overwhelming, that's when consistency will wane, and that's when persistency will grow. So understand that people will be blessed based on what they experience and what they go through and what they sacrifice. You don't have to feel bad for what other people are going through experiencing simply because you're putting in more work than them. Understand, if it was easy, everyone will be doing it. That's why not everyone is a profitable trader, is a professional trader, or rather would I say, is a consistent trader, a persistent trader, you know. Even being an entrepreneur, it's hard. No clients, no customers, you're not topping your sales, you're not running your sales. Everything is just remaining stagnant. It gets tough and it gets overwhelming. But like I said, this is a God-given talent. And understand what I said. To whom much is given, much is required. If you want those Lambos, if you want those fancy, expensive lifestyle, to whom much is given, much is required. Sacrifices have to be made in order for you to unleash the potential that you carry and the abundance that you're destined for in life. So, some traders quit, not because of funds, not because of a bad trading strategy, but because of lacking persistency and faith and overall belief when things get tough. I've been trading for over 8 years now. I can say I'm not where I want to be, but I'm where I have to be based on where I'm going. So if I have to understand that greatness will come my way, sacrifices have to be made. I have to show up every day for the charts. No matter how tough it is, I still have to show up. I have to still put in the work, even though it gets tough and overwhelming. Because to whom much is given, much is required. I can go look for a 9-to-5, work a job, find a side hustle like me and my girl are. But for the most part of it, to whom much is given, much is required. Tough times never last. Only tough people do. I'm signing out. So where are we heading to now?
Going to Del Forno.
Oh, you said you're not sharing, and I said it's fine. Now you wanna share? A king's meal, a queen's meal, but you wanna share king's meal? No. She wants to go buy got the
to go get water after having pasta. Do you really want to get water? How's the food?
It was here. And the lasagna got blessing kind. Man, buffer you soya means.
Straight soya.
Hi guys.
You can literally do that shit at home.
Like so look at see fire I'm up black pepper. As a farmer I'm a parmesan la payana. Such to say spice on our own egg guys. It's soya. But anyway, we thank God for the experience. We actually think pizza and baby nadi. Guys, who order pizza? It's people who is very boneless.
Scam. Scam.
Expect some ribs. Boneless.
5-star restaurants. I like this forex mentors. Scam.
Guys, nigga, pizza here. I said, "Pan roti sama ribs." But expected little. La.
Scam.
Like pieces, guys, like big small.
Lebanese pizza. Lebanese pizza.
I must take him to.
You are still number one.
Right.
Lebanese pizza. You are still number one.
This is good, right?
I ate this most pizzas in 5-star restaurants. Lebanese pizza. Yes, still number one. She's mad. Lebanese pizza.
Lebanese pizza is not nice.
But you're still number one.
It's not number one.
You may not be nice to some people, but you're still number one. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm just tired, very tired from the work that I've put in during the week and now it's weekend. All the work that I've put in is now catching up with me. That's why I feel so tired. But if you've got to the end of this video, I just want to give you a thumbs up. I just want to give you a heart for all the appreciation that you guys are doing for me. But yesterday was great. Me and my girl had fun, stayed off the charts. She stayed off her work because she's also obviously business owner. So we both stayed off of our work and just made time for ourselves, which is what I'm highly grateful for. So the video will end here because I couldn't record any more scenes from where we were, all because we need to be in the present moment, not to be recording every scene and every moment. We just need to be in the present moment. That's why we stayed off of our phones. We catched up, spoke, we had fun. And that's all that I'm grateful for. And just like I said, if you came to the end of the video, I give you a thumbs up. I give you a heart for all the appreciation. And far most importantly, I appreciate you showing up to this UT Academy page, for being with us, not only as a new subscriber, but also as a veteran. You're not a subscriber in the channel, you are a family member. We care about you, you're one with us, so we are taking you into this journey with us. So like I said, we had fun, we enjoyed, we stayed in the present moment. If you feel like we didn't add more scenes from what we did, then I guess you're gonna comment down below. But if it's what you needed and what you wanted, then I guess you're gonna still comment down below. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. I have a special online course which I don't have, but because that's a client from the DRC, then I guess I'm gonna make it an online course, because I don't do online courses. It's just a waste of time for me. I do in-person courses where I teach you in person with me, show you what you don't see, and make you understand what you don't see. Do you guys get that? So I think I'm gonna end the video right here because I'm about to put in the work with the client, so I don't have to be late and they also don't have to wait for me. But without without further ado, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and far most importantly, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. If you're looking to capitalize on our 2-day in-person mentorship course, then I've left all sources of communication that I have and that you have that we can chop it up with, so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. I appreciate you so much, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.